Through the bush, barefoot again. Me feel the drum beat deep like rain. Me spirit touch the dirt, me know me place. The roots call out in a natural base. Me light a spliff, give thanks for the seed. Ganja a guidance, not just for need. Me nah rush life, me move real slow. The tree grow tall when you let it flow. Me looking at the mirror of the mountain stream. Me see the youth, me see the dream. Me see ancestors in a mango tree. Whispering truths, only silence see. Youth, roots don't lie, them hold the ground. Through Babylon eyes, me hear just sound. From zinc fence to the hillside high. Me hold me head, me spirit fly. Roots don't fake, them know the way. Through trials and dust, them never sway. So me sing, me chant, me blaze and try to live true love before me dies. Before dawn, inhale the steam. Ital pot bubble, sweet roots dream. Me queen deya, ear in a rap. Reading psalms, pan coconut lap. Meditation under the Aki shade. Me reason bout the life Jah made. Me nah need no goal, no big estate. Me wealth in soul, me love create. Me plant, me heal, me share me fruit. Me chant Riddim panaya bingy flute. Me children growing in pure vibration. With ganja smoke and word sound education. From Africa breeze to Jamaica shore. Me feel the same beat, that open door. Drums call me name in a thunder roll. Me roots not fade, me roots not stole. Me now wear mask, me now play game. Me hold me crown, me claim me name. Every song me sing, me plant a tree. So the next generation grow free. Truths, roots don't lie, them bear the truth. Inna every rasta, inna every youth. Them carry stories Babylon can buy. Them hold the key to just sky high. Roots now bend when storm blow hard. Them rise again in Jah reward. So me blaze, me dance, me stand and cry. Me roots hold firm, me not comply. Ganja healing, Rasta soul, yeah man. In a silence me walk alone. Me spirit steady like carved in stone. Dub echo lead me way. Me not stray, me chant all day. Smoke rise from me chalice bowl. Eternal fire purify me soul. No need for sword, me carry sound. Me fight them system underground. Me now wear no crown or chain. Me wear vibration fi heal the pain. Every bass line like river flow. And every word plant seed fi grow. I'm a dub spirit warrior, marching with the bass, drum and chant. Me footstep grace, no blood, no war, just love me bring. Meditation deep, me soul I sing. I'm a dub spirit warrior, ancient and true. Riding rhythm like winds that blew. Me herbs, me sound, me livity. This roots man journey I set I free.
Me wake up early, sunrise light. Give thanks for the breath, the gift of sight. Me sip ital tea, me chant and pray. Me meditate and clear me way. Me nah get trapped in Babylon scroll. Me heart connect to higher goal. Each draw a reminder, each beat a flame, each note a whisper of Jah name. Sound system is me temple now, where warriors gather and take a vow to fight with love, to chant with peace, and make the chains of hate release. I'm a dub spirit warrior, marching with the bass, drum and chant, me footstep grace. No blood, no war, just love me bring. Meditation deep, me soul a sing. I'm a dub spirit warrior, ancient and true, riding rhythm like winds that blew. Me herbs, me sound, me liberty. This roots man journey I set, I floating in a echo chamber. Dub delay like thunder on my spirit, I my mind stay humble. My thoughts in rhythm never stone. I run for fame or gold, me run for the truth, for never get sold. Jah love is the key and code, so me chanting a ancient mode. I'm a dub spirit warrior, barefoot on the ground. Sage smoke rise with healing sound. No ego, no chains, me walk in grace. I hold the drum like sacred space. I'm a dub spirit warrior, ancient and wise. Smoke in my lungs, stars in my eyes. One drop beat and a lion roar. Me chant till them Babylon walls no more. Me ancestors whisper in a the breeze. Me feel them walk through sacred trees. Every heartbeat sing to drum. Me know exactly where me from. Roots man step, no fear, no stress. Me spirit armored in righteousness. Riddim is me sword, dub is me shield. And in a the dance, me battlefield. Me don't need fame or chat or crown. Me need a spliff and a bassline sound. Me need connection soul to soul. And reggae music fi keep I whole.
No, ganja is just medicine. Sun a rise pon the mountain crest. Birds a sing, Jah time fi rest. Me sit pon stone, chalice in hand. Inhale the breath of Zion land. Me not check me phone, me check me soul. Each puff of herb make me feel whole. Me give thanks for life, for food, for air. Me reason with Jah in silent prayer. The dew on grass reflect Jah light. Me close me eyes, everything feel right. No worry, no war, no system scheme. Just roots man in a the sacred dream. Roots man meditation in a the hills. Ganja smoke and peaceful drills. No nice, no hype, just inner truth. Chanting down Babylon from me youth. Me heart a drum, me soul a flame. Every draw call Jah name. Roots man live, slow live wise. Reasoning under African skies. Me reason with Jah through leaf and breeze. Through bamboo talk and dancing trees. Me say, Jah how fi guide me feet. Just say move with love, your path complete. No preacher, no pope, just earth and sound. Me find the message where truth is found. Ganja open me third eye door. Me sight things me never see before. Me see people chase illusion. Living fast but losing fusion. Me tell them slow down, feel the beat. Reggae I teach you how to eat, how to speak. Roots man now hustle, roots man grow. We plant seeds and let Jah flow. In a silence we hear the truth. In a herb we find real proof. Meditation a roots man code. It a the map for life road. Nah need gold nor vanity. Jah give we peace and clarity. Roots Roots man meditation, deep and slow. Fire inside but calm like flow. We not rage, we overstand. We trod this earth with gentle hand. One spliff, one chant, one rhythm line. And roots man feel the grand design. Inna me mind, inna me space. Me meet Jaja face to face. Me hear the voice of ancient king. Him say, youth listen to everything. Nature speak if you're quiet still. Ganja guide you with holy will. Me sip me bush tea, me me song. Me life feel rich, me heart feel strong. No rush, no race, me nah compete. Me walk, ja pace, me nah repeat. This life no bout likes or fame. It's bout fire, inna your flame. So me share me herbs, me share me light. One love, one aim, one righteous fight. So when the morning light touch your face, find a quiet little sacred place. Light the chalice, give thanks and praise for another chance, for brighter days. Roots man meditation, can't go wrong. It's the heartbeat in a reggae song. So come sit, come reason, come feel the flow. Come make the Babylon shadow go. In every breath, in every sound, roots man wisdom always found.
Nah, nah, nah. Jah bless the people, yeah, man.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah.
My spirit born in the island breeze, where the coconuts sway and the mind find ease. Barefoot and sand, me walk like dream. With chalice lit, me sip from stream. Me nah need clock, the sun tell time. Me heart beat slow in a natural rhyme. Me roll me herbs in banana leaf. Smoke rise high, carry away grief. Every breath me take is a gift from Jah. Every little wave a mystic power. Me sit pan rock, watch fish them play. Give thanks for the blessing of today. Island spirit calling me home, where the water sing and me soul just roam. No worry, no chain, no fight to fight. Just ganja and love under moonlight. Me nah run, me nah hide, me just float and ja tight. With roots so deep and vibes so high. Island spirit, me never say goodbye. Me grow me weed in a hilltop sun, blessed by rain and chant them run. Me share it round, me brethren smile. Inna the smoke, me feel just style. Me drum beat echo through bamboo trees. Me chant with birds, me dance with bees. Me queen bring fruit, me sing me song. Me days feel short, but the vibe stay long. Me no need no app, fi feel me best. Me find meditation pon the west. Me puff, me think, me rise in flight. Island spirit guide me light. Aye. Me sip and rock at the end of day. Watch the sunset melt worries away. Me close me eyes, me see your face. In a sea breeze, me find me place. Me not drift far, me not drift fast. Just steady boat in a sea so vast. With every ripple, me get more clear. Me spirit strong, me mind draw near. Oh. Island spirit calling again. In a mango wind, in a healing rain. Me walk with peace, me step in time. Me heart full up with Jah design. Me no need city, me no need gold. Me treasure lie where stories told. With ganja high and conscience pure. Me soul secured, me love endure. Me go to river, wash me dread. Me wash me pain, me shake the dead. Me reason deep with roots man wise. Him say Rasta live where truth never dies. Me take them words, me plant them seed. Me live by love, not Babylon greed. Me build me hut, me carve me name in a wooden song. Me claim me flame. Me see me youth run wild and free. Them laugh loud in the almond tree. Me queen smile wide, me cup overflow. Island spirit, this all me know. So when me leave in peace. Me soul well fed, me mind at ease. Me travel world, me hear many sound, but me roots in a island ground. So bless up life.
Oi, 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 Kingston pushing at the cocos, bang ya man. Me sit on the stone in a morning light. The world still dark, but me soul shine bright. Me close me eyes, me feel the breeze. Me heart beat slow, me spirit at ease. Me nah fight shadow, me build in a flame. Me call your name, me no look for fame. Me listen to the trees, them sway and bend. Each leaf a prayer, each breath me friend. Me burn a spliff, but me mind stay clean. It's meditation, not just a scene. Me search within, me find me path. Like lion roar, me escape the rat. Lion heart stand strong and still, even when the world go cold and ill. Lion heart chant through the storm. Peace in a soul, wisdom transform. Lion heart roar soft and deep. In a love and roots, me soul keep. Me travel far, but me never move. Is in a me mind, me start to groove. Each thought a rhythm, each breath a key. Unlocking truths that just show me. Me see me fear, but me no run. Me face it like the rising sun. Me see desire, me let it go. Cause true freedom come from the flow. Me sip me tea, herbs steep in cup. Wisdom in a leaves when the steam rise up. Me feel connected to all creation. A part of the one, no separation. The lion roar, quiet but fierce. Cut through lies, the veil it pierce. Me nah shout, me just breathe. In a silence, me sow the seed. Roots dig deep, so rise high. Like smoke curl up into just sky. Me no need no validation. Me walk with I own vibration. Lion heart, hold steady ground. Even when the chaos sound. Lion heart, burn slow and true. With herb and chant, me life renew. Lion heart, silent fire. Fuel for me soul, lift me higher. Me no teach with loud voice. Me teach true presence, true choice. Me no chase what the world call gold. Me chant for warmth when the nights get cold. Me build strength from within the eye. Me see me journey through Jah eye. Me walk with me ancestors close. Them tell me Rasta do the most. Me reason with me brethren. Talk truth in a evening wine. We share food, share smoke, share laugh. Half a plate better than none on pot. So if you see me quiet, don't mistake. Me building peace that none can shake. Me lion heart beat strong and wide. Guided by Jah, me nah need fi hide. Lion heart meditation me keep. Even when the mountain steep for me. Every moment sacred is. Me live in truth, me live in bliss. Ay, ay, ay. Ganja, ganja, smoke with Rasta, yeah, man. Sunrise come pa me veranda. Steam chalice bubble, no drama. Me open eye, me give thanks for life. Me cut the fruit with me ital knife. Me no need nothing fancy, just a little breeze. Some roots in a cup and a spliff for ease. Me check the garden, me plants them dance. Blessings drop like jar romance. Me queen cook callaloo with yam. Me youth them laugh, me heart feel calm. Every little thing a part of just sign. So me chant this line every time. Bless up every time when the sun come through. Bless up every time when the sky turn blue. Bless up the herb and the love we grow. Bless up Jah light and the peace we know. No worry in a mind, no shadow and soul. Me walk with Jah, me feel all. So me dance, me sing, me hold the line and me say bless up every time. Me burn a spliff under the guava tree. The smoke rise like a prayer for free. Me reason with elders, learn them where. Them teach me how to live each day. Nah rush no things, me move like breeze. Life a lesson, you just have to seize. Me wear me dread like a crown divine. Me vibe too clean for Babylon sign. Inna me hut me read some just scroll. Me heart feel warm, me spirit all. Me nah chase likes, me chase peace. Inna roots and Riddim me find release. Me float pan sea like a coconut shell. The current guide me like RASTA spell. Me meditate to the wave them roll. Me bless each breath, me free me soul. The island breeze whisper sweet word. Me hear it clear like a sacred bird. Me see Jah works in the coral reef. In a every petal, in a every leaf. Bless up every time in a moonlight glow. Bless up the vibes when the ganja flow. Bless up the rhythm, bless up the sound. Bless up the people them just surround. Me no need riches, me no want fame. Me just want peace in a Jah name. So me smile, me reason, me write this rhyme. And me chant bless up every time. Naya bingy fire burn at night. Me feel the drumming deep in a sight. Me brethren chant in a sacred code. Me soul explode in a love overload. Me link with elders from Senton Hills. Them tell me about faith and natural skills. Me roll up the herbs with reverence eye. Every puff me take reach just sky. Me nah fight no war, me bring one vibe. Me build me life on the love tribe. Me journey long but me step strong. And my spirit know where me belong. So me hold me youth, me kiss me queen. Me give thanks for everything in between. Me light the fire, me bless the space. Me live me life in a Rasta grace. From mountain top to ocean line. Me say it loud, me make it mine. Me nah go wait for no perfect sign. Me just give thanks, bless up every time. Zion echoes. Zion echoes. Yeah. Me walk the freedom road, me eyes wide open. Me feel the power, me heart unbroken. The struggles of life, me carry them with pride. But me never give up, me always astride. The chains them a fall, the barriers break. Me rise for the people, for the steps me take. Me feel the energy, me feel the strength. Me walk in a Jah light, me go the length. Freedom road, me walk it bold. Me never look back, me heart full of gold. With the spirit of Jah, me rise above. Me follow me heart, me follow the love. Freedom road, me nah go astray. Me walk the path of the righteous way. Me free in me soul, me free in me mind. Me leave the struggles behind. The road me walk it no easy fi travel. struggle, but me know me purpose. Me ready for battle. Me never fear the storm, me weather the rain. Me know after the struggle, me will feel the gain. Me fight for the freedom of the hearts and the soul. Me raise the banner of peace, me rock the roll. The fire of me spirit, the light in my chest. Me live for the people, me do me best. Freedom road, me walk it bold. Me never look back, me heart full of gold. With the spirit of Jah, me rise above. Me follow me heart, me follow the love. Freedom road, me nah go astray. Me walk the path of the righteous way. Me free in me soul, me free in me mind. Me leave the struggles behind. From the mountains to the sea, me free like the breeze. Me rise with the power, me move with ease. The road is long but me never tire. Me driven by the force, me heart full of fire. Me trust the journey, me trust the plan. Me walk with me brothers, me walk with me clan. Through the struggle, me find me way. Me walk the freedom road, me see the day. Me dreams are the future, me dreams are the light. Me know me vision clear, me ready for the fight. Me heart full of hope, me soul full of peace. Me rise every day, me never cease. The freedom me seek it deep in me heart. Me follow the truth, me play me part. From the shackles of the past, me break the chain. Me free in a Jah, me feel the gain. Freedom road, me walk it bold. Me never look back, me heart full of gold. With the spirit of Jah, me rise above. Me follow me heart, me follow the love. Freedom road, me nah go astray. Me walk the path of the righteous way.
Aye, the false Babylon. System lying to us. Break the false system, yeah man. Me rise up with the sun upon me face. Birds them a sing, me heart full of grace. Me stretch out me arms to the sky. Give thanks for life and the most high. Me boil me water, me herbs are steep. Sipping wisdom while the world still sleep. I tell food pon me plate real clean. No chemicals, me keep it green. Me roll me spliff with mindful hand. It's not for escape but overstand. Every leaf a gift from the earth. Use with love, it reveal I worth. Urban harmony guide me soul in a natural liberty. Me feel whole, no stress, no worry. Me chant all day with drum and fire. Me clear me way. Urban harmony one with the land. Roots and rhythm, me not jahan. Me no rush, me move with flow. Like the breeze through mountain and meadow. Me life no governed by the clock. Me listen to the silence when me walk. Me see the children laugh and play. Them nah no stress from Babylon way. Me protect them with knowledge and love. Guide them like star from above. Me sit in a circle, elders nearby. Them tell stories of struggle and why. And still them smile, them wisdom shine. Me give thanks for each sacred sign. Balance is the key, miss again. Not too much pleasure, not too much pain. Herb a teacher, not a toy. The awakened soul, not just for joy. Me burn it slow with chant and beat. Barefoot pan the sand, no concrete. Every draw come with reflection. Me build up I in a connection. Urban harmony sing the tune. Under the sun or the silver moon. Meditation are the guide me know. Like river run, me spirit flow. Urban harmony, it make me high. But still me grounded like mountain high. Me see Babylon rush with speed. But them forget about what we need. Not more screens or fake sensation. We need more groundation, meditation. Me nah hate, me just elevate. Me show a better way, me nah debate. True music and herbs me teach. A positive life me always preach. Me sing for the farmer, growing greens. Me chant for the youth, them inner dreams. Me light for the elder, holding firm. For every soul who are seek fi learn. Me give thanks for me breath and me seed. For every moment me truly need. Me chanting a harmony wide and free. Herb in me hand and Jah within me.
Ay, ay, ay. Deep meditation with Rasta. Yeah, man. Circle of brethren, fire ablaze. Drum them a beat, night full of praise. Under the stars, we hold it tight. One draw make the spirit light. Me say it no matter where you from, Africa, Europe or Vietnam. One draw link with me tell you true. In a this moment me feel brand new. We no talk about stress or pain. Just Riddim, Ganja and Jarrain. Me pass the chalice, you pass the smile. In a this circle, life makes sense a while. One drop, one love, one heart, one fire. Lift up the soul, take it higher. No judgment, no race, just iris space. We chant together, we share one place. One drop, one love, all tribes unite. We blaze the night till morning light. Smoke rise like prayer to sky. And me feel just spirit nearby. Me sister laugh, me brother sing. It's a real life roots man reasoning. You no need millions or gold chain. Real riches come from healing pain. We not boast, we share what we grow. Inna the ground, the truth still flow. One rhythm, one spliff, one vibe. We dance away, Babylon tribe. Me no need no throne or fame. One draw connect, we all the same. One draw, one love, one heart, one fire. Lift up the soul, take it higher. No judgment, no race, just iris space. We chant together, we share one place. One draw, one love, all tribes unite. We blaze the night till morning light. So chant one time for the youth, them last. Two time for the love that pay no cost. Three time for the roots man wait. Four time for live another day. Me not live for hype nor show, me live for the people, the trees where grow. Every draw is a gift from Jah, so we press for the herbs me star. One draw, one love, bless the nation. Reggae music, herb meditation. Unity at the highest grade, come together. No man afraid. One draw, one chant, one reason deep. No secrets, no lies we keep. Me mother say, child live clean and true. Me father say, praise Jah in all you do. Me elders say, smoke with respect. So me light up the herb with full intellect. Me no abuse, me use fi heal. Fi balance art and make me feel. Me sip me roots tonic, me dance and sing. One draw at the gateway fi everything. So come your friend, me open me gate. No time fi hate, no time fi wait. The fire blaze, the rhythm roll, and Ganja unite the broken soul. Under moonlight we chant our way to Zion hills where peace has stay. Ay, 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 that's the because. Please I need check your vibe. Early morning barefoot on the land. Me feel the dew cool in me hand. No noise, just leaves a whisper soft. Jah presence inside me spirit lift off. Me smoke a spliff, bless the way. Me mind get clear, me heart
Me no need no gold, no diamond ring. Just the breeze and birds that sing. Roots in the wind, me soul fly free. Rasta live slow, live consciously. From the hills to the sea, we chant unity. Blaze one down for tranquility. Roots in the wind, me I see truth. Balance the life from me early youth. Me trod with peace, me hold no grudge. Me spirit float like incense smudge.
Me eat ital, me soul stay clean. No poison in a me daily routine. Me cook with herbs, me drink me tea. Me body temple for the most IG. Me no live fast like modern race. Me take me time and overstand the grace. Me plant me food, me bless me ground. Every little thing got sacred sound.
Blow mine a whisper, stay humble Rasta. Fire say, keep the flame for Jah. Let it flow, me brethren. Get the earth and mind, everything return. In the wind, me soul fly high. Smoke arise in a blue-green sky. Meditation take me far from stress. Me live in love, me chant fi bless. Roots in the wind, me nah lose way. Me hold your word like light each day. Me feel the beat in every tree. The art of Rasta, wild and free. Me sweep me yard, me wash me bowl. Me give thanks in every role. Me no complain about what me lack. Me trust the path, me no look back. Me reason deep with me brethren crew. Talk about the stars and sky so blue. We light one up fi overstand. Oh, we connect from Jah own hand. Me no need no big church wall. Me temple is the river call. Me chant me psalm in breeze and flames. Me heart align with Jah true name. Me dance pan earth, me sing with tree. Me find myself in simplicity. No social scroll, no media lie. Just mountain high and open sky. Roots in the wind, me journey long. But every step, me move with song. No stress can hold me down again. Me ride the rhythm of sun and rain. Roots in the wind, and me give thanks. For the love, for the life, for the herbal plants. Me keep it real in a Babylon spin. Still me grow strong from roots within. Give me light one more. Watch me spirit soar. That life a flow. Rasta know.